Hello guys. So we're starting new Pega Mastery program from May 18th, 2024. That is from coming Saturday. And this batch will be running only on Saturdays. So this is like weekly program. So weekend program. So where we will be running only on Saturdays and timings for this is like 10 to 5 p.m. IST. And in this particular curriculum, we will be making you to understand everything from zero to advanced level of Pega. So for this eligibilities, you are first supposed to get trained on Pega. So it might be at our institute or maybe other part of institutes also. So if you are trained in Pega and you can be straight away enrolled for this. And course highlights is like we will be making you to understand 400 real-time user stories. So each and every user story will make you to sit here, will make you to analyze and will make you to work here parallel. So every user story will be done in our class discussions itself. So since you will be analyzed with each and everything, so if you are not familiar with some concepts, you should be trained on it. Maybe if you are not having complete hands-on, you can just get much out of these particular things. And for this, there will not be any mock interviews required also. If you are just trained in Pega and if you feel like basics is okay, you can straight away get enrolled for this one. And along with this 400 user stories, we even will help you with 800 real-time interview questions plus answers. So you can just follow those questions and answers and you can handle even like 5 years experience level also. And we'll even test you with kind of bi-weekly mock interviews. So we'll be just checking for mock interview and at like practical level as like theoretical level, we'll just check and we'll just suggest you for further things. And even we'll be helping you with resume preparation also. And this particular curriculum, as we understood, which is running only on weekend, this is best time for working employees. So only Saturdays, if we can spare like 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. IST here, and this duration will be around 3 months. And for this, we are having only offline program. So if you are interested, you are supposed to come to our institute every Saturdays for next 3 months. Then you can get best out of this Pega. So if you are really interested and wanted to enroll for this program, so just call or WhatsApp to this number. We can help you with further details. Thank you.